In this lecture, we're going to discuss the liquid crystal state of the liquid. First of all, this liquid crystal state of the matter was discovered by the botanist Friedrich Reinitzer. It was named by an Ottoman, and this state was discovered during the experiment on the cholesterol benzoate. Let's discuss that how it was discovered. Basically, when Friedrich was experimenting on the cholesterol benzoate, he observed that during the process, at a specific temperature, this cholesterol benzoate turned into a turbid form. What does that mean? You can see here. This is what the liquid form. This is what the solid form. Now what is this state? So basically, according to Friedrich, this state is known as the liquid crystal state. Now, during this experiment, when cholesterol benzoate reached at the temperature of 145 degrees centigrade, it changes into the liquid crystal state. Apart from that, when it reaches the state or the temperature of 149 degrees centigrade, it basically changes into the liquid. What does that mean? That means if a cross-liquid crystal state is temperated more when we apply temperature, so it transfers into the liquid state. If it is freeze down, so it changes into the solid state. That basically means that liquid crystal, the state of the matter, is basically the central process. That means it does not exist in the liquid state nor at the solid state. That's why it is studied separately. Now basically, as it is the comparison or it is the central state of the solid and the liquid, so it also consists the specified properties of the liquid that maybe includes viscosity. That means it is viscous. It do have a property of fluidity. As it is only the turbid form, it does not changes the state. It basically is a turbid form. Last, surface tension as T. Like it do have surface tension. Like if we have a great or a significant microscopic view on it, so it do have a bit cohesive force here. Apart from that, if we talk about the solidity, so it do have order of arrangement. What does solid state have? Solid state have a proper arrangement, so it also do have a proper order. Apart from that, it also have an isotropic behavior. An isotropic behavior basically means the behavior of the solid in which it acts as a different physical property from different directions. To have a full look at isotropic or anisotropic, watch my video in the description. Now here, if we talk about the proper definition of the liquid crystal, so it is that it is a distinct phase of matter that exists between the crystalline solid and isotropic liquid. Now what does that mean? Now here crystalline solid shows that it has proper arrangement, or as I have written a word called order. And if we talk about the isotropic liquid, that basically means isotropy. The liquid that we're going to use will show the isotropic behavior. I'm just writing its short form. I behave. So, the crystalline solid plus the isotropic liquid, so it becomes what? LCS, liquid crystal state. If we don't have a look on this diagram, so it will be more clear to you all. Proper arrangement, right? Then bit temperated. Now the arrangement doesn't change, but it do have little bit attractive forces increased that cause little bit cloudiness. If we temperate it more, the attractive forces becomes weaker. And now what happened? It basically breaks down. So here the isotropic behavior can be seen. If you watch the liquid from this direction, so the particles arrangement is not proper. If you see it from this direction, it's not proper. From this direction, it is not proper. But apart from that, if we talk about the crystalline, if you see it from this direction, it will be something else. Why? Because if we talk about the diamond, it produces many types physical properties because its particle arrangement is like that. If we heat it from here, basically it will need more heat, more temperature. If we cut it from here, so it will be cut down easily. So different physical properties. So here, that's a point to be noted. And that's all about the liquid crystal state of the matter. I hope that you get what I'm trying to tell. And if you got it, thank you so much and thanks for watching.